Welcome to day 5 of our Royal Caribbean Alaska Inside Passage cruise. Today is the fourth day at Icy Strait Point.
It's breakfast time and I don't feel hungry, so I just got
Is that rice?
piece of bacon, vegetable fried rice, one sausage, and fruit. Still sleeping. Peaches, watermelon, and cantaloupe, and an over easy egg, orange juice. We are now in Icy Point Trail, the next port. We don't have an excursion for this one, so we're just gonna do it slowly. Oh, somebody wants a picture. There you go. Priscilla Almeida. Hold on, let me zoom in. Okay, from where we got off the ship over there, we have to kind of walk here into that. Oh, look, there's a cart. It's like a roller coaster, but we're just gonna walk. Let's go, let's go. We're going up there, and this is uphill right now, so it's kind of not. It's those snow-capped mountains. I think that's a. No, it's not. Look at all those mountains. They still have snow. I think that's where we're going, towards town. But first, we have to go through this welcome center, trying to entice you to buy something. There's a restaurant. Oh, I think that's also some kind of a hotel accommodation. Duck Point. Oh, it's a restaurant. Icy Strait Point. That's the name of the port. There's our shop up there, and there's a restaurant here. The welcome center is over there.
This one, right?
Weather is gorgeous. Restrooms, Duck Point restaurant, and here the gondolas, the skyglider, and a zip line over there. So we rode something similar to this in Malaysia and in Santorini, I believe. Yeah. Oh, they left me. Oh, there's a nice view back there. So we're taking the gondola. It turns out that it's free. Okay. That's not a good sound.
Among other things.
So we're in line now. Oh, and there's our ship, Serenade. We're gonna go up. There's a lot of. This is the zip line. I don't know.
How many people?
Probably 6. 6 per cart.
Pababa red, may bayad.
Oh, pero meron daw.
Yeah. I will not. I think that I looked this up and it says $50. It's probably a different ride.
Yun sa malayo yun.
Sabi ni Boy,
Bumalik na tayo.
Lumigit lang nasa
Yan lang. Kaya pala nito.
Hindi, kung gusto mo pa daw umakyat, meron daw red. May bata.
Pwede tayong bumaba doon at tingnan mga views. We're now here somewhere. I don't know exactly. It's where the green line ends, and we can take the red line over there. Now they have choices.
Yeah.
They have this. Oh, look at them. This directly from the thing. What is this ship?
Riviera.
Riviera. No, that's not. It's
Ayun, I saw it.
Riviera, but in specific, it's not the cruise company. I will find out. We are now on our way back to, where is that?
Saan ba nakatutok yan sa amin?
Hindi dun sa view. Oh, sige, yan.
Ano ba? I'm shy.
Going back to the port, or not the port.
Uy, maganda.
What is this?
slowly.
Oops.
Pwede ba tumayo?
Napilipit mo yun.
So, alam mo, mga 3 oras.
It's almost
Ayun.
tatlong, no?
Oh, may volleyball pa rito. Pinakita nga. Kasi lubo kayo dito.
There's a pier over there. Maybe we'll walk to it. There's corruption. And I think the cannery should be that building there. They have a restaurant, the cookhouse restaurant. There's quite a number of restaurants here. Totem pole, the pier, and snow-capped mountains. We are going into the Icy Strait Museum. We're going into the museum now. Icy Strait Museum. What are they displaying? Oh, some old machinery here, or probably, I don't know. Look at all this. And then there's more over here. Look at this. These are the cannery. Look at all these machines. Guillotine. This is probably where they kill the fish. This a rustic, all the elaborate machinery here for, what is that? It says filler here. What are they filling? This is the weigher, where they probably weigh the salmon. Patching table. Oh, they probably patched the can. I don't know. Okay. There's a curler clincher here. I wonder what that does exactly. Vacuum sealer. This one makes sense. This is probably the end of the process. And they come out like this in cans. Oh, look at that in there. Oh, look. All the cans are stored there. Huh. It's lunchtime. We just got back from our excursion at Icy Strait Point, and I have chicken canola soup, which is actually good. Is it yellow, delicious, or is it green? Apple, roti, not roti, papadam, spaghetti with marinara sauce, chicken curry, and some garden salad. I forgot to get dressing. I'm on deck 5 here, and it's almost, I think it's around 4, and 4:30 is all aboard time. Look at all those trees and mountains. More trees and mountains to the side. This pathway here is where we walked earlier to go to the town of, where are we now? Of Icy Strait Point. There's the other cruise ship. I believe that's the Sapphire Princess. It's early dinner time again, 4:45. For starters, I'm having, what is it? Crispy arancini. I think. Main dish time, I'm having creamy mushroom risotto and a little piece of chicken parmesan that I took from her dish. It's dessert time, and I'm having 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream. I asked for only 1, and a decaf coffee. Ate is having, what is that, chocolate something with whipped cream. Is that the cheese plate? Don P is having a cheese plate. That's the cheese plate, right?
Cheese plate.
Tiramisu for Coracha. And what is that? Oh, the lemon tart. How is it? Because it's lemon. We are here on deck 4, the Centrum, watching a live performance by a Filipino band of Music Ventures. Here they are, 4 of them, Filipinos. We know because they sang Kawawang Cowboy yesterday. We are here in the Tropical Theater waiting for the show. The 3 tenors, no, there's Tennessee tenors in my company here. They're very worried that it will be another classical thing, which they don't appreciate. And they should be good because they're featured here. Yeah. They only feature popular acts.
Yeah, but one of the main events are the girls' game show to the couples.
Wala pa.